Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts, and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, guys. Let's take a look at the on the euro currency. Here we continue our journey with our bullish trading plan, bullish scenario, and in the beginning of the week for the Monday, we talked about the minor retracement where we will be able to take the position. That has happened, so the minor 30% pullback has happened in the beginning of the Monday. Now we continue to talk about this scenario because actually this scenario will be valid until market will hold these lows. I mean, the short-term part of the scenario. In general, this ABCD pattern will be valid even until this C point. But in the current situation, we still suggest that market should show a bit tighter price action just by the market mechanics of this pattern. So if you recall this ABCD pattern, that was the minor COP extension, 618 level. There's also an agreement with 1208 resistance. That was reaction, retracement on this target. Then, as reaction has been over, market turns back to the upward action. And by the logic and theoretically, that should be extension to the OP target. But currently, as we know, here we have the resistance level, and this and market now stands in a bit response to this level. But at the same time, since this is mostly an extension leg, we do not want to see here any deep retracements, because the deep retracement already has been done here with this pullback, and that is a continuation to the OP. That's why here some retracement could be this minor one that we've got, but it should not be too significant. That's particularly what we'll be watching for. Also, guys, today's video is very interesting because I could show you how Jordan entry technique works, which is called as a minesweeper. So actually, the setup that we discussed in our weekend, we discussed the minesweeper A entry technique. I will remind you a bit later, don't worry. But first, just to finish with the daily chart. On the daily, guys, theoretically, I'm not excluding the chance that we could get a kind of the butterfly here, because 127 stands at 1270, OP stands at 1282. This agrees with each other, and in general, that reminds me currently the pennant consolidation. When the pennant consolidation is forming right below the major resistance, it means that market is building an energy for a breakout. And potentially the appearing of the flag or pennant consolidation treats as the bullish sign. So that's what we'll keep in mind. So the retracement here could be a bit different. It could be to form the butterfly, or it could be just smaller. But the one important thing that this retracement should stand inside of this downside swing, inside of this action. So here is what we could consider. First of all, if you remember, our trade here has started with this deep retracement and taking the position based on this confidence support that we have on the follow time frame chart. Recall this action on Friday. So we said market has formed perfect engulfing pattern here, or you could call it as a morning star. And we said that's just great opportunity to take the position. And our trading plan suggests 30% retracement here for the taking the position. So now let's talk about the entry technique that comes from the Jordan Napoli, how he teaches to take the positions. First of all, we need to take a look at the daily chart. On the daily, we have bullish trend, and you see that bullish trend will stand intact until this level, approximately 1162. So for us, for taking the long position, it is crucial to be sure that the daily trend will not change. It will not be broken. In this case, we could fade any retracement on the intraday chart against daily bullish trend. So as you can see, this retracement doesn't break the trend. So it stands in kind of the inside of the trend. So it doesn't turn the trend into bearish. That's why we could fade it and trying to take the position on some support area on the intraday chart. That's important. That was our first opportunity. So we drop our time frame. We saw that market has hit the confluence. So theoretically, it's possible to buy right in the confluence, but we prefer to wait for patience. And as a result, we've got here is perfect morning star. Our next step was to wait first minor retracement after the response of the major support area. So that's was our trading plan for the Monday. As you can see, this is hourly chart. That was 30% retracement precisely. And that was point to enter by the Minesweeper A approach. So there are two Minesweepers, A approach and B approach. So that was entry opportunity on A approach. As you can see, that was worked very nice. And now all our traders, those who taken position here or those who taken position yesterday, feel good. And now you could move your stop to the break-even and see what will happen. But those of you who have missed the opportunity to go along here or here should not upset with that, because Judd Napoli also has the Minesweeper B approach. What does it mean? It means that you're buying with all the same conditions. So you need to be sure that trend is still valid here. That market responses on the major support that you see, so that's important. So on the major support, the response has started. You take the position not on just simple level, as we did here, on just 30% support, 3/8 support, but you are watching and waiting for a confluence. That is on the second leg retracement. And indeed, currently take a look, market stands in perfect condition. Confluence support is 1175. ABCD retracement, it creates an agreement here. It's minor OP, and it's also catalyst equal to buy. So that's perfect opportunity to take the long position, guys, based on the Minesweeper B Judd Napoli approach. Our nearest target on daily for scalp traders will stand at the OP of this ABCD pattern, 1211. So approximately 50 bucks, 50 pips, just slightly less. Here's maybe, yes, approximately 40, around 40 pips. But potentially, we of course will be watching for this pattern as well. Either this will be direct upward continuation, or maybe market later will show a bit deeper retracement. Well, we will see what will happen. But currently, as you can see, market stands in the strong support area, and here you could try to take the long position. Once market will start to show the bounce, move stops to the break-even and see what will happen. That's our classical recommendation when you're trying to take the position. So that's the price action that we will keep an eye on. Potentially, as I said, on the daily chart, we're watching whether this will be just pennant pattern, maybe this will not be the butterfly. We're watching for OP, it's around 1282. So that's the target that we expect market should reach as soon as it will show the real breakout of all this area, and it will be out of the consolidation where it stands right now. So let's see what we will got today.